In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then you need to click on Lock Screen. Enter your current screen lock and finally choose face recognition. Now read all about it here, and when you're ready, choose Continue. Now, after tapping on Register, make sure to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can manage all of those options however you want to, but make sure this one, which is Face Unlock, is enabled. Without it, you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. Now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!